Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, let's introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Dafa Dwi Putra. I am a National University student majoring in Communication Science, semester 2, class 24.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Aditya Akram Mardana. I live in Munjul.
Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Rio Prakoso. I am a student in National University majoring in Communication Science semester 2, class of 2024. And I am live in Tebet, South Jakarta, and I am 19 years old.
Hello everyone, my name is Wisnu Anggoro Ardana. I live in Lubong Boya.
Finally, class is over for today. It was tiring, but at least we learned something useful.
Yeah, especially since the lecture was a bit naggy today. But honestly, what he said was right. We really need to be more disciplined with our time.
Speaking of time, I sometimes feel like 24 hours in a day. Is it now? How do you guys manage your daily activities from morning to night?
That's an interesting topic. Let's talk about it now. Will I still afternoon?
All right. I go first. So I usually wake up at 5 a.m. I set my alarm to night before. As soon as I wake up, I go to the bathroom, then pray subuh. After that, I help my mom a bit in the kitchen, tidy up dining table or make some tea.
Wow, you're really delayed, bro.
Just helping out a little. Then around 6, I have breakfast. While listening to news or podcast at half 30, I have for campus on my motorbike. I usually arrive around 7 and take some time to review lecture materials before class start.
Nice. Mine's pretty similar but a bit busier. I wake up at 5 to shower, pray subuh, then do exercise like stretching or jogging around the neighborhood. It's good to maintain stamina.
That's cool, bro. I want to exercise regularly too, but my bed always wins.
Hahaha. Yeah, it's hard to resist. After working out, I have breakfast and get ready for campus. I get there around 7:30 and class start at 8. Sometimes there are surprise assignments, so I try to finish them quickly before class.
Now it's my turn. I don't wake up as early as you guys. Usually around 6 or half past 6. Hustly, if often fall back asleep after praying subuh. Hahaha. Then I rush to shower, eat a quick breakfast, and dash to campus. I usually arrive just in time or even late.
Oh, you need to fix that so you don't fall behind.
Yeah, that's why I'm trying to wake up early now. Usually class end around or 1 p.m. Then I have lunch with you guys, usually at the cafeteria.
Yeah. After that, I like to head to library. I work on assessment or read books I'm interested in. Sometime I rewrite notes to understand the mineral better.
After class, I usually go straight to teach private lessons from 3 to 5 p.m. It helps me earn some extra money and practice speaking too.
I get home around 5 or 5 p.m. After arriving, I shower, then help sweep the yard or watch my little sibling if my mom busy. Then I work on assignment.
I'm usually home by 5. I rest for a bit, then help my dad at his small shop in front of our house. Sometimes we just chat too.
I also get home around 5, but sometimes I collapse in bed and sleep until 6. Ha ha ha. Then I shower, have dinner, and open my laptop to work on assignment.
At night, I like watching YouTube, either educational videos or chill podcasts. By 9, I wrap things up and prepare for the next day. I try to sleep by 10:30 at the latest.
I have a habit of journaling at night. I write down everything I did that day. Uh, then I go to bed around 10.
I usually chat with my family in the evening. Sometimes we watch TV together around 9:30. I go to my room, clean up, pray Isya, and sleep at 10.
Same here, but if uh, I have a lot segment, I make sleep 11. If it's not busy, I'm already laying down by 10.
Turns out, even though we're all college students, our daily routines are quite different, but we're still productive in our own ways.
Yeah, the most important thing is being able to manage time and stay healthy. If we're not careful, we couldn't burn out.
Exactly. Espe- Especially since we're juggling college and other activities, time management is the key.
Alright, starting tomorrow, I'll try waking up earlier. I want to be like you guys too. Let us do this.
Ha ha ha. Go for it,
Go
dude.
for it.
What did-
By the way, how do you guys manage your achievement so they don't fill up?
I usually break big tasks into smaller parts. Like for a paper, first day I gather sources. Second day I write an outline. The third day I start writing. That way it doesn't feel too overwhelmed.
Some here. I also use daily to-do lists. I write down what needs to get done daily, uh, and I and it feels so satisfying to check things off.
Wow, to-do lists are cool, but honestly, I still procrastinate a lot. I usually only start doing assignment when the deadline super close. Yeah.
Some, but lately I realized that's procrastination that's cause more stress. I'm starting to work on text early, even if just a little bit at a time.
Totally, it's much better to do it by it, than pulling an all-nighter.
And speaking of assignment, where do you guys usually study most comfortably?
I like studying in my room, but only if I leave my phone in the living room. If it's nearby, I just end up scrolling through Instagram or TikTok. Haha.
Yeah, distraction from phones are the what I sometimes study in library. Science is quick and there are fewer temptation.
I like studying on the back porch. It's so, it's so cool, and the sunbird helps me relax. But night in move to my room. with some lo-fi music to help me focus.
I actually enjoy studying at cafe as long as they're not too noisy. A bit of background noise actually helps me focus better.
So, what do you guys usually do on weekend? We've been talking about weekdays this whole time.
Uh, I use weekend to fresh. Sometimes I watch movies, read non-academic books, or hang out with friends. But I also try to work on assessment, so I'm not overwhelmed on one day.
Some, but I mostly sleep. Hahaha. I treat the weekend as full reset time, but if three as important achievement, I get to it.
I usually work on weekends, helping my uncle at his shop, but in the afternoon, I hang out with friends, play futsal, or just chill and talk.
I usually help my parents at home on Saturday. Wash my motorbike, do some grocery shopping, or clean the yard. Sunday are more relaxed. I sometimes watch football with the family.
That's how some turn out. We each have our own uh, lifestyle and routine. But what matter most is that we all stick to our responsive as student.
Yeah, I agree. Being productive doesn't mean doing it the same way. What matters is knowing your priorities and balancing study, rest, and fun.
Hearing your stories really motivates me. There a lot I can learn to help fix my own schedule.
Hopefully, we can all stay consistent. It's okay to fail sometimes, as long as we keep learning and improving.
Totally agree.